So this is the setup for the laser based security alarm. I'm gonna connect my battery and let's see what happens. So the initial setup is the laser light is being focused on the LDR and you can see no buzzer beep as well as the LED is off. Now when an intruder interrupts the laser light, you can see the red light being focused on the block, right? So now when an intruder interrupts the laser light, you can see the LED is on as well as the buzzer is beeping. Again, when the light gets focused, the alarm will be off. So that's it. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to make a laser based security system, which is a simple electronics project. So a laser based security system is a type of security and alarm system that uses laser light and a light sensor. A security system protects our homes, offices, banks, lockers from intrusion and unauthorized access. In this project, we have designed a simple do-it-yourself laser-based security system which acts like that triggers an alarm when the laser is interrupted. So come, let's build the circuit. For this we require a simple LED, a buzzer, NPN transistor which is BC548, BC547 can also be used, an LDR, a 10 kilo ohm resistor, a 9 volts battery, and some connecting wires. See, the whole circuit can be built under the cost of 100 rupees, so you can design your own security system under 100 rupees and protect your home. So first let's connect the NPN transistor. You can see the NPN transistor has 3 different terminals: collector, the center one is base, and the rightmost terminal is the emitter. So I'm going to connect in this order: collector, base and emitter, with the flat surface facing the camera. Now take one LED. LED has an anode terminal and a cathode terminal. The cathode terminal is going to get connected with the collector terminal of the NPN transistor, and place the anode terminal of the LED elsewhere. Now take a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Connect one end of resistor to the base of the NPN transistor and other terminal of the resistor to the anode terminal, that is positive terminal of LED. Take one LDR sensor. An LDR sensor is a passive component, so there is no particular terminals for LDR sensor. I'm gonna place it at one particular corner of the breadboard so that we can focus the laser light here. So for this I'm going to use a simple laser light for focusing on the LDR. So I'm also going to give a warning, that is, we have used laser pointer in this project, right? So direct exposure of laser light on eyes can be very dangerous. Even though it is a low power laser, avoid direct eye exposure of this laser. Now connect the 2 terminals of LDR to the base and emitter terminal of the transistor. The LDR is going to act as a light sensor in this project. As the intensity of the light falling on the LDR increases, the resistance of the LDR decreases and vice versa. So the LDR is used in combination with the laser to form the light sensor and source. Now I'm going to connect the buzzer in the same way I have connected my LED. That is, the positive terminal of the buzzer is connected to positive terminal of LED, and the negative terminal of the buzzer is connected to the negative terminal of LED, which in turn is connected to the collector terminal of the transistor. Take one connecting wire, place it on positive terminal of LED and connect it to the positive terminal on breadboard. And another connecting wire, connect it to the negative terminal of LED, that is to the collector terminal of transistor, in which the other terminal of the wire is connected to the negative terminal on breadboard. Now let's check out the output by connecting a 9 volts battery to the breadboard. Before that, let us see the working of this project. Assume the laser pointer is placed directly in line of sight to the LDR and the light from the laser is continuously being incident on the LDR. In this situation, the resistance of LDR falls down to few ohms, and as a result the transistor is off and you will not be hearing any buzzer sound or LED. If the laser light is blocked by an intruder from falling on the LDR even for a small duration, the resistance of the LDR goes to few hundreds of ohms. As a result, this will turn on the transistor and you'll be hearing a continuous beep from the buzzer, as well as the LED will be turned on. For troubleshooting, just take a multimeter and check the positive and negative terminal of the battery you are using. If the voltage supplied is below 9 volts, which is 5 or 3 volt, at that time you can reduce the resistance value probably for 100 or 330 ohms, and then you can check the output, because we require a continuous flow of 9 volt supply to see the buzzer and LED on. If not, try changing the resistance value. I have attached the schematics in my description link. You can make use of it to build your own circuit. Let's meet once again for some other video. For doubts, please send your mail to futureboards@gmail.com.